I don't want nobody else. I just wanna be a kid. But I hate being all alone. But it's reasons why I'm by myself. And I know you see me as a type. But I know you know I'm still your type.
Y'all, yeet, YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy OG Griffy back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing this monkey app challenge. I'm gonna just be asking girls on the monkey app to rate me from 1 to 10. A lot of people been asking for the video. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it since everybody asking for me to do it. You see the waves, though. Alright, Yasmin from Sun City. Hey. If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10? Only one person? 0? Wait.
0.
Weirdos, bro. Weirdos. There's little kids on here, bro. Nobody be on monkey no more? Come on, Stephanie. Hey, I got a question.
What's your question?
If y'all had to rate me through 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10? What about you in the Nike sweater?
Huh?
Well, never mind. Hey, bruh. I can't stand when girls do that. They hear you, they be like, huh? Acting all deaf, bruh. I know you heard me. Come on, Megan. Hey, I got a question.
Okay.
Okay, if you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me on appearance? 10? 9. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, no, I'm not adding time on that, bro. Let's see. Oh my god, bro. The brush been going crazy though. Cutting my wolf in a week. Yeah, wait. I think a week. I don't know. Yeah, January 3rd, I'm cutting the wolf. Come on. Hey, I got a question. If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
Off the charts, man.
Off the charts?
Alright.
Let's show. For all the homies that told me I'm ugly, this one's for you, bro. This is for you, bro. Don't connect. I was about to say don't connect. I keep getting all these dudes, bro. I don't want dudes. But yeah, I forgot to tell y'all in the beginning, Monkey is like a app where it's basically like a random FaceTime. You just FaceTime random people around the world or whatever. But Monkey is low key poop, so I'm gonna do holla. Okay. Alright, yo, so I'm finna finish this monkey video because I ain't finished it yesterday. I ain't get the feedback I wanted, so we finna finish real quick. Hey, I got a question for y'all.
What's that?
If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10? Yeah.
What? Add time.
Hey, adding time, you sound like a dude. You sound like a dude. Alright. Let's see. He Aaliyah. Hey, I got a question. If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
10. No, nah, because you're not perfect, so nah.
What? Because I'm not perfect. Why?
Because?
Get out of here. Nah, dying because you're not perfect. Alright. Oh, I'm getting all the girls today. It was straight dudes. Hey.
What's up?
I got a question. Hey, add time. If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
You a 10.
10?
No. You 10.
I'm a what?
No.
Hey, y'all should go subscribe to my YouTube channel though.
You should subscribe to mine. Don't please.
What's yours? Write this down.
I'm Queen A underscore. It's Queen underscore the shade.
Queen underscore rep. Cool.
Hold on. Add more time.
Alright. Let me stop recording.
Oh, my thing. Wait up here. I still got some subscribers.
Queen underscore that what? It's like backwards.
This shit.
Write that down. How you spell it?
Oh, yeah.
Queen underscore the shade.
What's your...
My OG Griffey. OG Griffey.
Hold on, say it again.
OG.
Griffey?
Yeah.
Okay. OG Griffey. My voice is so nasty. Okay, please subscribe.
OG space GRIFFEY. There we go. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days when I was again. Hello? If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
7.
7?
Yeah.
You a mark. I'm getting all the girls, bro. Hello? Hey, if you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
A 10.
10? Why?
Because you cute.
Oh, thank you. I'm with that gang, I'm with the mob, what was you thinking? Ooh, I'm getting all the girls, bro. Today is my day. Hey, I got a question. If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me? Nah? No answer? Alright.
What?
She said what? Okay. Demi. I got a question. If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me? If you had to rate me from a scale of 1 through 10, what would you rate me? Beat them international girls, bro. Except from the UK. Oh, that's like 8 in a row. Oh, she skipped me. Never mind. Come on, Emma. Hello? What the hell? If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
I don't know. I don't like big people.
Huh?
I don't like big people.
You don't like...
Yes, she is a bitch. B-I-C-T-H.
You said a 9? Okay. Ugh, see. Let me not. I got a question. Hey, if you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
Wait, what?
If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
I give you like a 7.
A 9 and a 7. You see her? I want Tiffany. Oh, that's the first dude I got today. Keon. If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
You would 7, 8.
A 7, 8? Why not a 10? What? Like, why I'm an 8?
You there? I said you there.
So I can't get a 10? You don't like black boys? An agent.
We gotta do a part 2.
I'm getting skipped now. Oh, you see the... You see... Oh, you can't see it on the camera.
Boy, if you don't...
Hey, I got a question. What would you rate me if you had to rate me from 1 through 10?
A 10.
A 10? Alright. Got the whole booty out.
Did I?
Yes. Hello? I got a question. If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
A 9.
A 9? Why not a 10? Why can't... I don't understand what the 9 is for, bro. Just give me the 10. That don't make no sense. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question.
What is what?
If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10?
Let me see. Like, damn, you fine. A 10.
Alright.
You have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend? Adriana. She from Cali. 34 miles. She staying like
New York.
Temecula.
New York.
New York. Pennsylvania. Kiana. Hello? What y'all doing? Hey, if you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10?
1,000.
1,000?
10 trillion.
Oh, that's a little kid.
Hey, it's 4:15.
Alright. It's 4:11. This is the last one. This is the last one.
No, do like 3 more.
3 more.
Boy, if you don't...
Big bang. Buddha.
Show him the Buddha, though.
Hello?
What's up?
If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
Oh, no, this. A 9.
A 9? Why not a 10? Why can't I get a 10 from you? Shut up.
My nigga really dipped, though.
Boo. She look like a baddie. 27 miles. She's staying like Riverside. Bet you. How much you
Paris.
27 miles? Paris is like 4 miles, bro.
Go to the end of Paris.
He said the end of Paris. Alright, this last one, Gracie. If she answered. Whoever answered the last one.
Oh my God. Wow.
Malu, 17 from Florida. This better not be you. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Angelina, she from California. Hello? Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do mukbangs every day.
Oh, for real? Mine is OG Griffey. She had a whole dude in the car with her, bro. I wasn't feeling it. I was like, nah.
I would still asked. Fuck that nigga.
He said we're underage.
Hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
OG Griffey.
What is it?
OG Griffey.
OG Griffin. Let's look it up like.
What? Oh, she said OG Griffin. Hey, comment if I should change my name to OG Griffin. I don't understand why. What shouldn't you do? Alright, this is the last one. This is the last one right here. 13 miles. She close. Her name is Milk. I was about to say. Was she from Virginia? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, if you had to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
I'll rate you about... Wait, smile?
You run out of time.
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Pussy, hey. Tell your kid.
See, I got the straight teeth though. Shit, I ain't yellow.
Boy, if you don't...
I got the yampas. She said, wait, smile. Like, I got straight teeth, man. What you talking about? Alright, just the last one. Hello?
Alright.
If you had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
A 10? Yeah, 10.
I'm a 10? I'm a 10?
You're a 10.
Thank you, thank you. I got much love in the UK. Oh, wait. Who is this? Jalen, Oklahoma. Hello?
What's up?
If y'all had to rate me from 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
7.
7, why?
4.
4? What the Alright, yeah, you weird, bro. Oh, it's still on. Alright, that's it for the video. We finna drop another video too. I'm out.
Okay, right, I need that, I need you. When I turn around, no one was there except for me, yo.